Hello friends, how do we live in present? Many of the times when we learn things, when we get some information, when we get some idea when we are watching some courses or learning something, reading a book or conversing with somebody, we get a lot of ideas, information is shared. At that particular point, what our brain does is immediately it correlates with the thing in the past, and you will relate it with something happened in the past, and you will tell yourself that, oh, this information would have been helpful if I knew it before. This could have changed my decision on that day. You apply to some event that happened in the past, and then you kind of worry or just you relate that, oh, this is why I did that, I didn't even know that this is there, luckily I did it correctly, something like that. You go into the past and start processing the information. But what happens here is, in the present, you get distracted because you constantly keeping your conscious mind in processing event in the past. The same thing you will do for the future also. You get an information, you are reading something, or you are talking to somebody is giving you ideas or information. Once you got a spark, you say, oh, this is how I will use it. I will use this in my business, I will use this in my work, this is the way I will use. You take your conscious mind to your future and start living there, and what you are missing is the present. Currently more information is coming, you lose focus on what is happening right now in the present. This may sound very logical to do, basically to correlate an information in the past and then relate it or plan it in the future. But the problem is, in the present, when we have actually control of doing a task, we lose focus because of this. These two things we have to do. We have to learn from the past. Whenever you get a new information, you'll try to connect it with the past experience and draw inference and learn and register. This is important, but we should not dwell too much into that. Same goes for the future. Whenever information comes, you need to use it. How well I can plan and use it for my future, you have to do. But again, we cannot dwell too much there, because what is currently happening is important. Present is what you have control over. Present is where you are executing things. For example, you are reading a book, learning something. You need to pay attention to it. You may get distracted with the past or with the future. Go there, but come back. Bring your focus back to present. This is very, very important, because most of the time our mind is distracted by these things. The way we think about future and dwell there, or worry too much about the past where we didn't do something correct, or we didn't have this particular information that we are acquiring. When you are learning new things, when you are developing yourself, this is going to happen, this is bound to happen, because you are learning something which you did not know so far. So you will always have a remorse of, why I didn't learn this, I would have saved so many years, I would have done these things correctly, my life would have been better. That kind of worry will come. It will come. It is natural to come. But we should not get too much into that. The same will happen in the future also. You will think too much of planning. I will use this like this. This will work for me like this. And you will lose focus on the present. Always try to live in the present and continue to be attentive and focus in the present without worrying about past or not planning too much for the future. Thank you.